Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Nissan JUKE SL. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 1.6-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 121,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 25 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, power windows, external temperature display, moonroof, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, and rear privacy glass. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto.